Save the stories for someone who cares about you. 'Cause all you say is just a lie. 'Cause I'm so fed up of this situation.